Simulan tayo ng pictures na lock. So, kailangan din ng cutter. Tapos open natin. This. Yan. Ano, bagong-bago tayo sa new. And this. Now, let's take out na parts na pictures. One by one. This one is the head clip. This one is the base. This one is the citrus. Arm. Accessories. And caster. And last one. Like that. And then, ito, separate the parts. Like that. Like that. So, first is this one, ito yung ating base or star base na chrome na metal or metal. This one, metal to na star base ang tawag dito. Star base yan. And then, yan, ito yung lima. Ito tinawag ng star base. Ito yung lima dito. And then, sunod, next my friend. This one my friend is the base cover. Ito, separate this like this. And then, put it here. And the other one is here. Like that my friend. So, this one is the base cover. Because it's covered here. Yeah. Next my friend is the caster or wheels. So, my friend is combination color, so white and black, and it's made of plastic 9. Then, to install this one my friend, here, like that my friend. So, there's holes to here, and we have to put on it here. This, so very simple my friend, like that. So, this, and so very simple. Like that. So, and then next metal is this one. So, this one my friend is a chrome na gas lift or call it hydraulic. Function of this, the one who's up and down the chair. Like that. So, this is a gas lift or hydraulic one. So, put it here. And then, we need to set aside this first. Next my friend is the arm. So, here it is my friend. So here my friend is a leather. This one is a PU, polyurethane. And this one my friend is a nylon plastic. So, this arm is going to a right side na portion, situation. So, it's the right side. Next my friend, the second one is the left one, sink. This one is aluminum, plastic component. And this one is nylon, plastic. This one is padded na kung that leather. So this is the arm, the left hand. Okay, this my friend is this one. So this is the citrus. Look. So look my friend. See? So this is the citrus now. The citrus, and it's the material that using this one is the leatherette na PU. or hydrate PU or polyurethane na material niya. Diba? So, this is the front portion and the back portion. So here my friend, there's only 4 peanut installed for the headset. So I will show you how to order the or install the headset. So for now my friend, first is you have to install the arm first. So this one, cover, this. Then my friend, this one are accessories. 2, 4, 8, maybe this one. There's a bolt. And it goes here. There are only 2 bolts. The first one is maybe this one is a 30 mm and this one is a 20 mm. Now first we need to and they're using this one Allen or to this Allen. Okay, so this first is going to connect the arm. So like this. So here there's a holes here. There's a peanut for this like that. Now we need to install the left side arm here. So like this. The ball going through it and here. Then bolt slowly. Like that. Mix.
Constant. Mau lagi puntat bukan tanya ni tadi kau. Hindi pa kaya na. Oh, pagit ko na.
Yeah. Oh, ito. Nagbong? Like that, my friend. Like that. Like that. So, not tight it. Just minimum item and like that. Next is right side here. So here is the peanut and the arm. Now like this. Like that. Next, the other one bolt. Like that. Next, you need to position like this, my friend. And then, next step is the backless. So, over like that. Now, let's lock the backless. No. So, there goes my friend. Now, this is our lacquers. And still it's PU. Material no leather PU. Polyurethane and it's foam cushion and its thickness is more like 4 inches. 4 inches or 4 inches. Yeah. And then you have to attach it into the arm. So two holes for the arms to the backers. Yes. So here it is the T-nut. Or goes there. It's here.
Yo, kunin pa kayo.
Okay. And then next is the board. And goes here. You see the holes through the backrest. Backrest and shut holes here. The board goes here like this. Make the open. Slowly lang, very slowly. Careful. And then, other side. Maybe here. Like this. And go again. Like that. And then we need to pick up this. Pick up like that. Like that, my friend. Like that. So, this. Like that. Kita sa sa'yo, Sam. I'm struggling. And tighten the bolt. Like that. So, I need to tighten all the bolts. Like that. One more time. Like that. Ang ito lang yung
Kuya,
na.
sa lipat doon.
Then, the other side, left side. So, we need to tighten all the bolts.
Ayusin mo. Oo, mukuha, hindi na kayo ito. Pizza!
Then, now let's check the all whether it is tighten. And now let's put the cover. Ah, wala bang may? And the other side.
Berapa nih sebulan lang ya?
Hmm.
Ya, gusto ni.
Basta na lang buhay, ito lang yung lahi.
Bay nang daw.
Hmm. So now, complete na. Now lastly, we need to install the heat plate now. The mechanism. So, this is now our head plate. This is our head plate or the mechanism. So you can adjust here. You can control here or you can adjust your tilting or your tension. If you're going to tilt, you need to loosen. If you're going to tighten, you need to tighten. So this is the adjustment. Here. This one, the knob. If you want to tighten, you need to counterclockwise. If you have to loosen, you need to counterclockwise. Now you need to install here. Like that. That's very simple, my friend. And that 20 mm volts.
Ito rin yung video, yung iba.
Wala sa dalam. My friend. My friend, it's done. Overall, it's done, my friend. And it's look like this, my friend. Like that. Now, this is our finish. Executive chairs na. Now, we need this one. Last time out sweet. Then, we need to put like this. Right. So, overall my friend, it's done. It's involved. I need to use this one. Okay, nagkakapigas mo ba eh? Okay.